mattina mi sono alzato, oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao.
Yesterday we saw regarding the Pythagoras theorem. What does the statement says that in a right angle triangle, so the triangle should be a right angle. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Today we are going to learn regarding the converse of Pythagoras theorem. So today what we are going to learn? Converse of Pythagoras theorem. Usually many times what we see that the converse theorem is not needed to prove, but in Pythagoras theorem the converse of Pythagoras theorem is also needed to be proved. So this is also a theorem. So you should learn how to prove the converse of Pythagoras theorem. What does the statement says? Let us first write the statement. What does the statement of the converse of Pythagoras theorem says? So what does the statement says? That in a triangle. So what does it say? That in a triangle, if square, so what it says, if square of one side is equal to the sum of square of other two sides, then what you have to prove? Then the angle, very important, angle opposite to first side is right angle. Very important. So, now what does the statement say? Let us see the statement. In a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of square of other two sides, then the angle opposite to first side is right angle. So this is the statement. So we need to draw a diagram. So let us take the diagram. So A, B, C is given. So ABC is a triangle in which AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square is given to us. Square of one side. So let us take AC as the one side. So which will be the other two sides? AB and BC will be the other two sides. So given, what is given? ABC is a triangle in which AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So given, we will write it down. So what is given? Triangle ABC is drawn and AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So ABC have drawn the triangle in which what is given? Square of one side. AC is the side we have taken. So AC square is equal to, which are the other two sides? AB and BC. So it is equal to AB square plus BC square. Then to prove, what you have to prove? Then the angle opposite to the first side, which is the first side? AC is the first side. Which is the angle opposite to it? It is B. That means you have to prove that angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle opposite to the first side is right angle. So to prove, so what you have to prove? Angle B is equal to 90 degree. That is what you have to prove. To prove this, you need to do construction. So, construction. What is the construction you are going to do? You are going to draw one more triangle which is called PQR. So you are going to draw a PQR triangle, which is a right angle triangle. PQR. It is a right angle triangle. How we are going to draw the PQR? We are going to draw the triangle PQR such that AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR. That is how we are going to draw another triangle. So what is the construction? Draw right angle triangle PQR. So draw right angled triangle PQR such that AB is equal to PQ. Very important. Such that AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR. So you are going to have drawn the construction. So PQR and what is AB is equal to and angle Q is equal to 90 degree. That is what we have drawn over here. So now let us start with the proof. What is the proof given to us? Let us take the proof. What is the proof given to us? That is what we have to prove, that angle B is 90 degree we have to prove. Now in triangle ABC it is given. What is given to us? That is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. It is already given to us. So we will take in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So it is given. Very important. Already given, I have written. Now next, PQR is a right angle triangle. Already we have constructed it is a right angle triangle. So where angle Q is 90 degree. So in triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. So you can use the Pythagoras theorem. What the Pythagoras theorem says that PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. So PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. So got it up? Okay. Now we have what? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square in triangle ABC. In triangle PQR, angle Q is 90. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. But see, in given PQ, I have taken it as AB. So in place of PQ, I can write it down as AB. In place of QR, I can write it down as BC. So again, I can write it down this part as PR square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So here you can see AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square and PR square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So taking these two together now. So what you have? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is equation 1. And PR square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is equation 2. So from 1 and 2 taking axiom 1. Okay, when same thing is equal, when AB square plus BC, this is same, this both are same thing, is equal to different thing, then these two will also become equal. So therefore AC square is equal to PR square, means AC is equal to PR. This is very important, you have proved. Now what we will take? We will show that ABC and PQR are what they are? Congruent triangles. So what we will write it down? In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now we can see PQ is equal to AB, it is construction. BC is equal to QR, it is construction. AC is equal to PR, just now we have proved it. So what we will get it as? PQ is equal to AB. Okay. Then QR is equal to BC. Then PR is equal to AC. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. That means if they are congruent, means the angles are also equal. So which are the angles we have to take the equal? That is, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q. So therefore, angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 90 degree. What you wanted to prove? You wanted to prove that. What you wanted to prove? You wanted to prove that angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 90 degree. To prove you have given angle B is equal to 90 degree. So you got it, angle B is equal to 90 degree. This is how the converse of Pythagoras theorem can be explained. Once again I will explain you. What does the statement say? In a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of square of other two sides, then the angle opposite to first side is right angle. So we draw a triangle ABC. What is given to us? ABC is a triangle in which he has told AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is given to us. What we have to prove? Angle B is 90 degree. To prove that with only one triangle we cannot prove. So we have to draw one more triangle. Which triangle you are going to draw? You are going to name it as PQR. But what type of triangle? Right angle triangle, such that angle Q is 90 degree. And what? PQ must be equal to AB and QR must be equal to BC. That is what we have written. Draw right angle triangle PQR such that AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR and angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Now we have to take the proof. Already in triangle ABC it is given to us that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. It is given. In triangle PQR, angle Q is 90 degree. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So what does it say? PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. But in construction you can see AB is equal to PQ. So instead of PQ I can write it down as AB. So PQ square will become AB square. BC is equal to QR. So instead of QR I can write it down as BC. So QR square is equal to BC square. Now both the equations I will write together. In first equation AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. PR square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So from these two equations we can say that AC square is equal to PR square, means AC is equal to PR. Now we will prove these two triangles are congruent because Q is 90. If they become congruent according to CPCT, angle B will also become 90. So what we have taken in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, PQ is equal to AB, QR is equal to BC, PR is equal to AC. Therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Therefore angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. So you prove that angle B is 90 degree. Now we will see worked examples based on Pythagoras theorem. What is the first worked example? Says that sides of triangles are given. So down some sides of triangles are given. Sides of triangles are given below. Determine which of them are right angled triangle. Okay. Further he asks, in case of right angled triangle, right hypotenuse. So you have to write down the hypotenuse, which will become the hypotenuse. Okay. In this, sides of triangles are given below. So, 4 pairs of sides of triangles are given. First is 4, 6, 8. Second one is 15, 8 and 17. Third one is 6, 13 and 11. And fourth one is 10, 40 and 30. This is what is given to you. In this, one of the pair, you have to find out which pair will make a right angle triangle. When I was explaining you the history, I told you that Pythagorean triplets, Babylonian civilization gave that Pythagorean triplets where 3 numbers are taken and the sum of the square of the 2 numbers will become equal to square of the third number. Okay. So here the numbers are given 4, 6, 8, 15, 8, 17, 6, 13, 11, 10, 40, 30. Now very important thing is that how to identify which is the hypotenuse. Then only you can use that Pythagoras theorem. Remember that, children, when a right angle triangle is given, the length of the hypotenuse will be always more than the other 2 sides. So the number which is more value will become the hypotenuse and other 2 sides will become the that is other 2 numbers will become the other 2 sides. So what is the solution over here? So we have to find out that what you have to find out, the square of the hypotenuse should be equal to sum of the square of the other 2 sides. If it is not equal, then it is not a right angle triangle. If it is equal, it is a right angle triangle. And here you have to write down what? Hypotenuse also. So let us take. So now first sum 4, 6, 8. So I told you just now. Which is the greater number? 8. So 8 is the hypotenuse, means the square of the 8 should be equal to the square of the 4 and the square of the 6. So you have to show that 8 square is equal to 4 square plus 6 square. What is 8 square? 64. What is 4 square? 4 4s are 16. What is 6 square? 36. So 64 is, add this to 6 plus 6 is 12, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 5. So they are not equal. So this is not a right angle triangle. So we won't take this. So we have proved. So it is not a right angle triangle. So it is not a right angled triangle. Why it is not a right angle triangle? Because it has not abided the Pythagoras theorem. That is, hypotenuse square should be equal to sum of the square of the other 2 sides. So it is not equal. So it is not a right angle triangle. Second sum is given. What is second sum is given? It is given 15, 8 and 17. Okay. In this, which is the hypotenuse? Now you can identify. 17 is the hypotenuse. So what shall we take now? We have to show that 17 square is equal to 15 square plus 8 square. What is 17 square? 17 square is 289. 15 square is 225. 8 square is 64. So 289. If we add 225 and 64, what shall we get? 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 6 is 8 and 2. So we got it as 289. Means this is a right angle triangle because it abides the Pythagoras theorem. So it is a right angled triangle. And what he asked? Hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is the greatest side is 17. This will be your answer. Third sum. Let us go for the third one. What is third one given? 6, 13 and 11 same way. Which is the greater number? 13. So you have to prove that 13 square is equal to 6 square plus 11 square. So 13 square is equal to 6 square plus 11 square. 13 square is 169. 6 square is 36. 11 square is 121. So 169, 121. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1. So it is not equal. So it is not a, so what you got it? It is not a right angled triangle. If it is not a right angled triangle, you can't find the hypotenuse. So what is the last fourth option given to us? 10, 40 and 30. So what you have to prove? Which is the highest number? 40. So what you have to prove? 40 square is equal to 10 square plus 30 square. 40 square is 4 fours are 16. 0 square means write 2 times, that is 0. 10 square means 100. 30 square means 3 3s are 9 and write 2 0. So you got it as 1600 is equal to 1000, which is not equal. So what you can write it down? It is also. So it is not a right angled triangle. So on the whole, what we are using? The Pythagoras theorem. So in all you tried to prove, first one did not obey the Pythagoras theorem, third one did not obey the Pythagoras theorem, fourth one did not obey the Pythagoras theorem, only the second one obeyed. So if you get the right angled triangle, you can write down the hypotenuse. It is very easy, children, to solve. So I told you that the first one is not a right angled triangle. The third one is not a right angled triangle. The fourth one is not a right angled triangle. So the right angled triangle is your second answer. 15, 8 and 17. 17 square is equal to 15 square plus 8 square. 289 is equal to 89. So 17 is the hypotenuse. Now we will see the second worked example. What is given in second worked example? Let us see. It is given in figure. So figure is already given to you. In figure, angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. So the angle is also given to you. And what they say? And along with that, they have told that CD is perpendicular to AB. And what you have to prove? Prove that BC square by AC square is equal to, prove that BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD. And the diagram is, here is the diagram. This is your diagram. So what is given? ACB. This is right angle, and from C perpendicular line is drawn, and this is D is there. So once again I am reading the sum. In figure, angle ACB is 90 degree and CD is perpendicular to AB. Prove that BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD by drawing CD perpendicular to, okay, AB, you divided into three triangles, ADC, ACB and CDB. So we are going to compare. In your reader, directly they have given that the triangles are similar. They have not shown how the triangles are similar. So I am going to show you here how the triangles become similar. First, which two triangles we are going to take? We are going to take triangle, okay, ADC and triangle ACB we are going to take. So in triangle ADC and triangle ACB. So in triangle ADC and triangle ACB. What is given? Angle D is 90 and angle C is 90. Very important. So what is given? Angle ADC is equal to angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Then CAD and CAB, they are the common angles. So angle CAD is equal to angle CAB because it is common angle. Therefore, according to angle similarity, triangle ADC similar to triangle ACB. Okay, I want AC square and I want BC square. So AC square I want to find out. What is AC square is equal to? So, means AC should come in a numerator. So if I take AC over here, so what will be over here? A corresponds to A, C corresponds to B. So what will happen over here? So AC by AB is equal to. Now cross multiplication, AC should go down. So AC should go down means what should come? AD by AC. AD by AC. So by cross multiplying, I will get AC square is equal to AB into AD. This is equation number 1. So got it up? AC square is equal to AB into AD. Now we take the other two triangles. Which is the other two triangles? CDB and ACB. We are going to prove it is similar. So that we are going to write it down. In triangle CDB and triangle ACB. Once again, angle CDB is equal to angle ACB is equal to 90 degree because CD is perpendicular to AB. And here angle B is common. So CBD is equal to angle ABC is what is the reason? Common angle. Very important. So what happened? The two triangles became similar. So triangle CDB similar to triangle ACB. Now I want BC square. So what shall I take? CB or BC? So BC by BA or BC by AB is equal to, again here BC should go down. So it will come BD by BC. So cross multiply. So what I will get? BC square is equal to AB into BD. This is equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, first I am going to take BC square and then I am going to take AC square. So I am going to take BC square by AC square. So from 1 and 2, so what shall I write down? BC square is equal to AB into BD divided by AC square is equal to AB into AD. So what happened? AB cancelled. So what I got? BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD. Look here what we wanted to prove. BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD. So therefore, BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD. Hence, your sum is proved. So once again I will explain you. So here what you have to prove that BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD. So you are going to draw here, see as given CD is perpendicular to AB. So three triangles are created, ACB, ADB, CDB. You are going to compare. You are going to compare ADC triangle with ACB and you are going to prove they are similar. Then only you get the ratio that is proportions. So how will you prove? Angle ADC is 90 degree because CD is perpendicular to AB. Angle ACB is 90 degree because it is already given. Okay. Then angle CAD is equal to angle CAB because it is a common angle. So the two triangles became similar. That is triangle ADC similar to triangle ACB. So what I want? AC square I want. So AC in the triangle, smaller triangle should come first. So if AC comes in the numerator, in the bigger triangle, AB will come. Again, I want AC in the denominator. So first I write down AC in the bigger triangle, the denominator. So what will come in the numerator? AD. Cross multiplying, AC square is equal to AB into AD. That is your equation number 1. Similarly, we are going to prove triangle CDB and triangle ACB as similar. By taking angle CDB is equal to angle ACB is equal to 90 degree because it is given. Angle CBD is equal to angle ABC because it is common angle. So the two triangles became similar. I want a BC square. So I took B and C. So I will take here AB. So BC by AB is equal to, again BC should go down. So BC went down with the bigger triangle. So in smaller triangle what should come? DB or BD. So if I cross multiply, BC square is equal to AB into BD. Now from 1 into what we have to show? First see here, BC square by AC square. So I took BC square by AC square is equal to. So what is BC square is equal to? That will first come AB into BD. What is AC square is equal to? AB into AD. AB cancelled. So it became BD by AD. So BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD. This is how we have to solve the sum. Now we will go to the third sum. What does the third sum says? Let us see. A ladder is placed. Okay. A ladder is placed against a wall such that, how it is placed against a wall such that its foot is at a distance. Its foot is at a distance of 2.5 meter from the wall, and its top, that is the top of the ladder, and its top reaches a window 6 meter above the ground. What you have to find out? Find the length of the ladder. Find the length of the ladder. This is what the question is given to you. So, what is the question given? A ladder is given. So, we have to draw a diagram. We can't draw the ladder, we can't draw the wall like as it is, and we can't draw the, so what the distance between them. So we have to take the schematical representation. Schematical representation means what? Wall we are going to represent by a vertical. Always, how will be the wall? Wall will be always vertical. How is the ladder kept? The ladder, if this is the wall, the ladder is, if this is the wall, the ladder is kept in this slanting way. So the ladder touches the window and it touches the ground also. AB is the wall where B is touching the ground and A is the window. To that window, to the ground, AC is your ladder placed. And the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall is given. How much is the distance given? 2.5 meter. And from the bottom of the wall to the window, the distance is given. How much is the distance given? 6 meter. You have to find out what is the length of the ladder. Here, verbal statement is very important. What is AB? You know that it is a wall, but for correction purpose, when evaluator sits, they should know what is AB, what is BC and what is AC. So statement, verbal statement is very, very important. So first what we are going to write, let AB be the wall, okay, and A represents the window. So it is given window now. So that is it. And what is it? AB is given, it is equal to 6 meter. So therefore AB is equal to 6 meter. That we have written down. What is BC? The distance between the wall and the foot of the ladder. So BC is equal to distance between wall and foot of the ladder, which is equal to 2.5 meter. Then what is your AC? AC is the ladder. So AC is equal to ladder. So AC is your ladder. Now you have to find out what is the length of the ladder. Okay. So wall is always perpendicular to the ground. So angle B you got 90 degree. Unless and until you don't get 90 degree, you can't use Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ABC, what is 90 degree? Angle B is 90 degree. So we'll start in triangle ABC. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. So applying Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So what is AB square? AB value is given. AB value is given. So 6 whole square plus 2.5 the whole square. So AC square is equal to 6 square is 36. 2.5 means 225. 2 place of decimal means how much it is? 25 square means it is 25 to 25, 625. So 625 means 2 place of decimal, so it is 6.25. So 36 plus 6.25. Very important addition. 6.25 is given, point is given. So 6 is a whole number and 0.25 is given. 36 is a whole number, there is no decimal. So add the whole number with whole number. 36 plus 36, how much it is? You will get it as 42.25. So what is your AC square is equal to 42.25. So what is AC is equal to square root of 42.25. Square root numbers you have to remember. So how to remember the square root number? Till 25 square we can remember it is 625. So it means 5 should be at the last. 35 square, 3 3s are 9. So 9 means it will be 3 numbers, so it won't come here. Then 45 square, 4 4s are 16, it won't come. 55 square, 5 5s are 25. 65 square, let us see. 6 6 are 36. 65 square. In 8th standard you have learned how to find out the square root. So let us see. 60, I will show you the easiest way. 65 into 65. Even when I did what you call it as a bridge course in 9th standard, I taught you how to multiply. And in what you call it as the Vedic mathematics, I taught you. 5 5s are 25. Correct. Then 6, and here we have to take the next number of the 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 7s are 42. So you got 4225. So 65 square means it is equal to 6.5 meter. So the length of ladder, it is a verbal problem, is equal to 6.5 meters. So the answer should be also a verbal statement. So you got it. Now once again I'll explain you. See, a wall will be always standing on the ground, and how it will be standing perpendicular, so it is making 90 degree angle. AB is your wall and A represents the window. To that window a ladder is kept. AC is your ladder. You have to find out what is the length of the ladder. The distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall is given 2.5 meter. You can use Pythagoras theorem only when the angle becomes 90 degree. So B is 90 degree over here. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem. What does the Pythagoras theorem says? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AB value? AC we have to find out. What is AB value? 6 square. What is BC value? 2.5 the whole square. 6 square is 36. 25 square is 625. 2 place of decimal, it is 6.25. So AC square is equal to 6 is a whole number, add whole number and whole number because there is no decimal over here. 36 plus 6 is 42. 0.25 will remain as it is. 42.25. AC is equal to square root of 42.25. 6.5 is the square root. So the length of the ladder is 6.5 meter. That is how you have to solve this sum whenever such sum is given. Now we will see problem number 4. What is problem number 4 is given that. Now we will see problem number 4. What is given in problem number 4? Let us see. In figure, so here also figure is given to you. In figure, if AD is perpendicular to AC. So perpendicular is given means 90 degrees. So keep that in mind. Prove that, what you have to prove? Prove that AB square plus CD square is equal to BD square plus AC square. So what is the figure given? Let us see. So and AD is perpendicular. So what is given over here? The figure A and this is B. And this is joined and AD is joined, very important. It is perpendicular, means it is making 90 degree angle. So now what we have to do is that we have to take triangle ADC and triangle ADB. ADC, why? Because we want AD is a common, so AD square will get as AC square plus BC square, and then AB square will get as AD square and BD square. All are there. So we have to take the two triangles. Which two triangles? In triangle ADC, and we have to take triangle ADB. So solution. So one triangle first we will take. In triangle ADC, angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. The reason is AD perpendicular to BC. So what you will get? ADC, if this is right angle, then AC will become the hypotenuse. I told you which is hypotenuse? The side opposite to the right angle. So this is right angle. So which is the side opposite? AC you will get. So what you will get it as? AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. That means AD square is equal to, what you can write it down as, AD square is equal to AC square minus DC square. Let this be as equation number 1. Okay. So what you got it as? AD square is equal to AC square minus DC square. Now we will take the second triangle. Which is the second triangle? In triangle ADB. So in triangle ADB. What is given in triangle ADB? Angle ADB is 90 degree. Angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. What is the reason? AD is perpendicular to AC. Okay. So if angle D is 90 degree, so which side will become hypotenuse? AB will become the hypotenuse. So you will get AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So what is AD square will be equal to? AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. So this is equation number 2. Compare. Equation number AD square is equal to AC square minus DC square, AD square. So is equal to AB square minus BD square. So from 1 and 2 you can show that AC square minus DC square is equal to AB square minus BD square. Okay. What you want to prove that? AB square plus CD square. So AB and CD should come together, AC and BD should come together. So if I take minus DC that side, it will become plus DC, and minus BD this side, it will become plus BD. So I will get AC square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus CD square. Also you can write it down, or you can write it down as DC square. Hence I have proved it that AB square plus CD square is equal to AD square plus AC square. So you came to know how the proof came. So once again I will explain you. So here what is given? ABC is a triangle given, in which AD is drawn perpendicular to BC. So angle ADB and angle ADC became 90 degrees because perpendicular. So we will take the triangle separately. In triangle ADC, angle ADC is equal to 90 degrees because AD is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, AC square is equal to AD square plus BC square. So what will be AD square is equal to AC square minus DC square. Let this be equation number 1. Similarly, let us take the another triangle ADB. Angle ADB is equal to 90 degrees. Same reason, AD is perpendicular to AC. So AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AD is common side, so I am taking AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. Common side is there, axiom 1, things which are equal to same thing are equal to one another. So AC square minus DC square is equal to AB square minus BD square. I want AB and CD together, I put AB and CD together, AC and BD together. So minus will become plus over here and minus BD square will become plus BD square. So AC square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus CD square. Thus your sum is proved. So I hope you have understood what is the problem number 4. These are all the worked examples which are given in your reader. The first problem which I gave, it is my own problem because I wanted to show how to use the Pythagoras theorem. The remaining problems are left out. 2 problems are left out in the worked example. That is, I am going to include in the exercise. Like physics, how I did send you the photocopy, in the same way, exercise 2.5 is there behind the Pythagoras theorem. That photocopy I will send. In that with red I will mark that sums you have to do because it is same whatever I have done in the worked examples. And I will try tomorrow whatever the interaction class is there. After interaction class also you have to watch the maths video. 2 maths video will be sent in which the exercise 2.5 will be completed. So that will end our triangles chapter.